Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to create private projects in Asana, your complete guide for 2025. Now, the first thing you want to do is log into your Asana account. This is your personal space where you create, manage, and collaborate on projects. It's important that you're logged in because you can't create projects if you're not. Once you're logged in, find the orange plus new button on the top right corner and click it. This is where you can create all kinds of items in Asana, from tasks to projects. Today, we're focusing on projects. In the drop-down menu, select Project. This will open a new window where you'll be able to create your new project. Next up, you'll want to give your project a name, something that accurately represents what the project is about. Now that we've done that, you'll notice that there's a privacy setting under the project name. This is where you can set who can see and access your project. By default, it is set to public to team, but we want to make it private. So click on the privacy setting and select private to project members. This ensures that only the individuals you add to the project are able to view and participate. Finally, click the Create Project button at the bottom. And voila, you have created a private project in Asana. The reason we do this is to have a safe space where you can collaborate on sensitive projects with specific team members without the entire team having access. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to create private projects in Asana, helping you maintain privacy and control over your tasks. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.